In HealthWorks tonight, a local woman has taken on a new tool in her weight loss program. She says it's not only helping her lose weight, but at the same time reducing joint pain, reducing her chances of cancer, even helping heal scars. Medical research shows an infrared sauna can help burn at least 600 calories in a half hour. Dr. Gomez from Youthful Essence Medical Spa in Katy explains that's like running 2 or 3 miles.
There's an increase in cardiovascular and cardiac output with heart rate, and there's vasodilation. As a result of that, there's sweating.
Just by sitting in here for 30 minutes. Rhonda Crockett bought one for her home to lose weight.
Sometimes it's hard. You want to fudge. And this thing, I can just not feel bad about eating the chocolate cake, and I can get in it and lose that pound that night.
Doctors say saunas heat your body up to the point of pulling out dangerous toxins deep under your skin. Toxins like car emissions, mercury, lead, even tobacco. All this slows down your metabolism, can cause weight gain, and even spark disease. Dr. Gomez suggested Rhonda get the infrared sauna. He has one and believes it helps him stay slim. Plus, he used to test high for heavy metals like arsenic and mercury. But he says those levels are normal after using the sauna. The saunas basically emit good rays from the sun. It's like vitamin D for your skin and joints.
Your body produces infrared heat. So by putting more infrared heat into your body, you're helping what your body's already producing.
Doctors say infrared saunas only have to get up to 120 degrees to get blood circulating versus the typical sauna, which must reach 170 degrees. You can get the entire list of medical benefits from infrared spas under the health tab of our website. Also the medical conditions that wouldn't allow you to get into a sauna.